This is incredible. Sure, the aircraft ended up taking some damage upon contact with the runway, but considering the wild winds the pilot had to endure, we have to be thankful that nothing worse took place for the 747, its crew and cargo. Let's take a closer look at this incident for today's video. On August 13th, a Boeing 747-8 freighter flying from Hong Kong to Taiwan sustained damage whilst completing a landing amid fierce, gusting winds. The engine pod striking the runway caused a shower of sparks to briefly erupt into the night sky. Operating Flight 5X61, the freighter's first leg sees it flying from Hong Kong to Taipei. The jet departed at 17:50 local time and was in the air for 2 hours and 20 minutes, around an hour longer than normal. This was because, with strong gusting winds in Taipei, the aircraft had to make 3 approaches before successfully landing, as you can see from this Flight Radar 24 recording. A UPS spokesperson provided the following statement. "We are aware of the incident involving our aircraft while landing during strong gusting winds associated with Typhoon Podul. We are working with investigative authorities as they review the event. The aircraft is currently undergoing inspection and repairs and will return to service only after all safety protocols are met." The video you see here gives us an idea of just how challenging the weather conditions were for aircraft landing in Taipei. Typhoon Podul had a considerable operational impact, with Flight Aware showing that 180 departures and 141 arrivals were delayed in Taipei on August 13th. The landing took place on the 3,660-metre or 12,008-foot long runway 05 left at Taipei Taoyuan Airport. Despite the rough touchdown, the 747-8F subsequently managed to taxi safely to the apron. However, photos that have emerged of the aircraft, posted to Yahoo News Taiwan, show considerable visible damage to the engine. Indeed, the nacelle bore the brunt of the impact, with one of its cowlings separated. The aircraft, registered November 613 Uniform Papa, is nearly 7 years old and first flew in October 2018. It's just one of 30 747-8F airframes operated by UPS. What do you think of this landing? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.